2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 77,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power outlet, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Take home the car of your dreams today.